Hi! This instructional video is a continuation of finding the distance between two given points on a coordinate plane. Now, on the previous instructional video, I did it for you two different ways. So you were supposed to choose either to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance between these 2 points, or to actually use the distance formula. I will do it both ways for you, so you could kind of verify, okay? If I were to use the Pythagorean theorem, then I need side A and side B. It doesn't matter which way you identify the A or B, I will just do it this way, like this away, all right? And I just simply count the units across for the base, which in this case is going to be, that's 1, that's 5, so it's going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units for the base, and the height from here to origin is 5, plus 1 more is 6, so this must be here 6 units. So now this is going to be my A, this is going to be my B. And so I'm going to be looking for the hypotenuse, which will become my distance between the 2 points over here. So A squared plus B squared equals a C squared. A is 6, B is 4, C is what we're trying to look for. Square root of 6, we got 36. Square root of 4, we got 16. And we're going to add these two integers, we get 52. And we're going to square root both sides of the equation. So C is equal to square root of 52. But what is square root of 52? Well, if you do a prime factorization, it's 4 times 13. So square root of 52 is like saying square root of 4 times 13. Well, square root of 4 is 2, so that comes out. 13 stays in, so the simplified answer is going to be 2 square root of 13. Now, if you were to use a distance formula, the d is equal to the difference of the two x's, x2 minus x1 squared, plus difference of the y's, y2 minus y1 squared, and square root it. First, you have to identify the coordinates. So this one's -1 and 1. This one's going to be 5, -5, and -5. Let's call this x1, y1. Then let's call this x2, y2. It doesn't matter which is which, as long as you keep it in the same coupled order. So what did I label x2? It's -5. Minus x1 is -1, being careful with the double negative right there. y2 is -5. y1 is +1, which will add us to be a bigger number here, bigger negative, and we're going to square root that. So -5 plus 1 is -4. -5 and -1 combined become -6. No matter, because when we square it, it's going to become a positive number. -4 squared is like saying -4 times -4, which is 16. -6 times -6 is positive 36. And 16 plus 36 is positive 52. And look at that. The distance square root of 52 is the same as if you were to use the Pythagorean theorem. And since we already solved it, we know that distance is 2 square root of 13. And if somebody asked you, hey, evaluate that, give me the estimated number, you just simply take your calculator and you go 2 times the radicand 13 square rooted, close parentheses, equals. I mean, I need to learn how to use this calculator. Let's do square root of 13 first. 13 square rooted is like 3.6 times the coefficient 2. It's about 7.211, like that. So that is the estimated real number for the distance between those two given points. All right. Woo! That's a whole lot of stuff. Good luck.